the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is generating serious buzz. Earlier this year, whispers began circulating online about Garmin's plans to debut its next-generation multi-sport GPS smartwatch in 2025. Enthusiasts have been sharing speculative details: enhanced athletic performance metrics, health monitoring innovations, streamlined form factor, and, most shocking of all, a more accessible price point. In this video, we break everything down, from advanced sensor arrays and rugged build enhancements to smarter workout tracking features, AI coaching tools, and possible retail pricing. Let's dive deep into the rumored architecture of the Fenix 8 Pro. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The physical evolution of Garmin's flagship promises refinement, not revolution. Refreshed bezel and case materials. Instead of the traditional stainless steel or titanium shell, whispers suggest a new hybrid carbon-reinforced polymer bezel reduces weight without compromising toughness, ideal for trail runners and mountain bikers. Slimmer profile and ergonomic lugs. Compared to the Fenix 7, sources allege a modest reduction in case thickness and a sleeker lug design that improves wrist comfort, especially during long-term wear. High-contrast display options. Leaked renders hint at dual glass finishes, a glossy sapphire display for unmatched clarity, and an alternate smoked glass variant designed to minimize glare in bright sunlight. Keywords: rugged smartwatch, hybrid carbon bezel, ergonomic lugs, high-contrast display, Garmin Fenix 8 design. Under the hood, expect significant internal upgrades. Next-gen Garmin chipset, labeled internally as the G-Pulse V8 processor, benchmark leaks estimate a 20 to 25% boost in computing throughput versus the G-Pulse V7 found in the Fenix 7. This translates to smoother map rendering, faster response, and better power budgeting. Improved battery life algorithms. Enhanced software tiers refine sensor polling cadence and background task management. By default, low power mode now intelligently suspends optical heart rate scans when stationary to prolong uptime. The upcoming firmware iteration is said to feature redesigned menus, modular widgets, like altitude, power meter, and recovery index, and smoother navigation gestures. Keywords: G-Pulse V8 chipset, battery optimization, Garmin OS 13, modular widget UI, efficient sensor polling. Garmin appears to be elevating the watch's autonomy. Built-in 5G per cellular module, optional SKU for ultra-active users. One rumored Fenix 8 Pro variant includes a direct 5G antenna and eSIM support, enabling phone-free messaging and SOS contact during ultramarathons or remote climbs. Satellite SOS capabilities. Partnering with global satellite networks, the Fenix 8 Pro is tipped to include server-assisted beacon messaging, a life-saving feature if you're injured in signal dead zones. Improved Bluetooth LE audio support. Garmin is said to refine direct Bluetooth headphone streaming, making it easier to listen to offline playlists during workouts without pairing to a phone. Keywords: eSIM smartwatch, satellite SOS, Bluetooth LE audio, off-grid connectivity. The Fenix 8 Pro may represent Garmin's biggest leap yet in biometric tracking. Using optical pulse wave velocity algorithms and AI-trained models, the watch is rumored to detect both systolic and diastolic blood pressure directly from the wrist, without external cuffs or sensors. Readings sync to